Okay guys, we are headed out to Sanibel Island today. We're going over the causeway right now. Beautiful Saturday morning. We do have a little wind, probably about 10 miles an hour out of the south. So we're going to try to find some land that blocks off some of this wind. To your right is called Fisherman's Key, and it is very brown. It used to be green, but a lot of our trees here are brown. As you can see, these palm trees in front of us, they are not green anymore. They are brown. It's really sad, but maybe one day we can restore this place back to its normal state. If you guys are new here, this is Corey's Fishing Adventures, and I work all Southwest Florida areas from Marco Island, Naples, Bonita Beach, Fort Myers Beach, Sanibel Island. If you want to stay up to date on the fishing and the weather, just tune into this channel every now and then. I'll give you an update on how the fishing is. And if you have any questions, you can always ask me down in the comments. Alright guys, so we checked out the beaches up by Captiva, Blind Pass area. Was not working out very good there. The waters were mucky, so we didn't even stick around. We turned around, we came back here to the base of the bridge where the waters are much better condition. So we'll be fishing the back side of the island today, opposite of the beach, because of the winds. The onshore winds is stirring up the water off the beaches. So we're gonna get over here on the other side where the waters are clean and clear. Okay, looks like a pretty good spot right here. Alright guys, so we found our location here at the island side of the causeway, here by the boat ramp. I know some of you may know where this is. Don't ask me where to park. I can't give away my secrets. But yeah, we're going to get after it. We're going to find our bait. We're going to cast the net, see if we can get some bait, and get our lines out. You guys stay tuned. Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. We got bait. Took me a few casts. We were getting about 2 or 3 or 4 in each cast. We ended up getting about 2.5 dozen of maharas. Look at that. Almost 3 dozen maharas. So we'll get the aerator on these and we'll get to fishing. I've seen snook right under that dock on the right side coming up and eating little glass minnows. And even on the other side, I seen another snook come up and hit something. Hey, I had a snook chasing it. Got him that time. Little baby. Wow guys, the lure outdid the live bait. The lure outdid the live bait. We haven't got a single bite on the live bait, and I throw the lure out and we get them. Amazing. Just a small one, but better than nothing. We've been getting nothing, and we kind of gut hooked them a little, didn't we? Hand me the pliers. Yep, we gut hooked them. Not too bad though. I think I can get them without harming you. Let's get you out there safely without harming you. He'll be okay. We didn't gut hook him. Just got his gill a little bit. There's one. There's a good one. There's a good one. Hey! There's a good one, guys. Not a bad one.
Can you keep it?
About 20 inches. Nope, he's undersized. Let him go, let him go. See ya. All right, that's gonna be it, guys. The Sanibel police have came, and before we get in trouble, we want to get out of here. All right, so we are headed out to Bungee Beach now after the Sanibel boat ramp area, where we hooked up on a few snook with this guy right here after not catching anything with live bait for a little over an hour. So we're going to have one more stop here, see if we can make a complete video for your guys' entertainment. Stay tuned. We'll see you out there. He chased it. He went after it. Come on. Sorry. Sorry there was a fish around you. Just a little one. Oh, he spit it. Couldn't keep him hooked. We had him. That was the best opportunity because I seen them before they seen me. I got far enough back and it was the perfect approach. It was perfect. The perfect presentation to hook that fish, and unfortunately we didn't land it. Keep it hooked. So it's all right. There's more. Shark! There's a little shark, guys, just cruising. Check him out. Oh, he's right there, and he's taking off away from me. Another shark, not as big as the one I seen the other day. That one was about 4 foot compared to the one I seen was 8 foot the other day. All right, guys, that's gonna be it here in Bungee Beach. We had one chase and we hooked up on another and lost it, but that's gonna complete this video here in Sanibel and Bungee Beach. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.